Hey guys, so welcome to the workshop. I wanted to share with you really quick how to clamp something without using clamps. No, this is not clickbait, this is for real, so stick around. Okay, so this technique is nothing new. It's been done on YouTube many times. I've just never really done it until now, but I wanted to share with you how I did it and explain it in the way that I would explain it to somebody in my workshop. So let me take you to the workbench and show you what I'm talking about. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your clamps, push them to the side, because you're not going to need them. So for the example, what I'm going to do, these are not where we would really use them, but say we wanted to glue all this together, and I personally probably have a clamp that would work for this. But if you're doing something really wide, you may not have a clamp. This is the easy way. Make sure you got yourself either a wooden workbench, or you can grab a piece of plywood or something scrap you got laying around. So first thing you want to do is take a sacrificial piece of wood, put it up on the end, and then take some screws and a drill and just drill that to your workbench. So then next, what you're wanting to do is you want to take a piece of wood and cut an angle so that you end up with two wedges. Set that on one side, but then take your wedges and space them about halfway in the middle of each of themselves. Take another board, push it against the one end, and screw that down. Alright, so what you're going to do now is you would apply your glue to each joint. And just another little tip, if you're wanting to prevent the glue from sticking to the wood, put some blue painter's tape on it, or even some plastic or wax paper. That will make sure you can peel it back off later. Say I put glue in between this, on these, and these, and then we're ready to clamp this up. What you're wanting to do is take your two wedges, stick them in there, and then take a mallet and just lightly start tapping them in. Okay? From both sides. Alright, now what that has actually done is the wedges have you've pushed them in, which is making this really tight. So now I cannot get this out. They're essentially locked in place. And if you had glue in there, you could see it all squeeze out. And then just leave it set until you're ready to take it apart. And once you're ready to take it apart, it's really simple. Grab yourself a screwdriver, take your mallet, and just loosen them up. There you go. And then you would have a panel ready to cut down and do what you need to do. Okay, so I hope that quick tip and really just sharing with you how to clamp something without using clamps has really proven to be beneficial to you. Anytime you're doing any sort of panel, this is a really good way to do it. And also, if you've got to conserve your clamps for maybe a different portion of your project, you can do this and save yourself using those clamps and use it towards the other half. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I am in the middle of a lot of projects in the house, so that's why I wanted to share with you maybe a tip. I haven't done a tip in a while, so I hope this was proven to be beneficial to you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.